Efforts don't lie.
Effort is isolated. The reason why effort is isolated because nobody can dictate it. Effort is 100% in the mind. No coach, no player, nobody else can make you run to the ball. Nobody else can make you finish a tackle. Nobody else can do it. That's why it's the most isolated things in this earth right now. It's effort.
The thing that actually you will find as you get older that you come to respect the most are people whose...
If someone seriously wants to be a part of your life, they will seriously make an effort to be in it. There are no reasons, no excuse.
Effort in a relationship is everything, because I believe relationship...
What advice would you give your younger self?
Put your effort on.
The most powerful thing you can do as a human being is put in the same amount of effort.
I'm often asked, what's your secret to success? The shorter answer,
Make effort in your health.